stop for the entire flight.
If you are traveling within Turkey, or you're coming from international flight like from Istanbul and then connected to Antalya, definitely this is the terminal that you want to go out from. So come and see with me how you can pick up your luggage and exit. Bagage claim. This is just a small distance from the gates. It is here, and when you are in the summer, the high season, it's like hell here, the traffic. The crowds will be like hell when you are in the high season. Here you go.
Buyurun kaymayın lütfen.
It's raining in Antalya now. Here you can rent a car if you want. The water is inside the airport. Here the taxi can pick you up, or if there is anyone waiting for you. See? Taxi. Also you can take from there the bus, and you can use your credit card, or you can buy a card. I think from there is a machine beside the bus station. You can use your card. Buses number 600 and 800 takes you to Antalya city center. Also you can use the tramway. It takes you immediately from here to Antalya city center or the old town Kalichi and many other places. Also it goes to Konyaaltı. So this is the tram rails. You can see it up. And here is the domestic flights, here and here. This is the exit of the domestic flights. And this is the entrance of the domestic flights. And at the other part there is the international flights, if you are flying directly outside of Turkey. I parked my car in the parking from yesterday and now going to pick it, but I'm gonna show you with me the entrance. To the tramway. I'm gonna show you the entrance to the tramway now. Either here you have a sign, so just when you exit from the airport, go to your left and keep walking until you see those wave shapes above the railway. So now this is it. Here is the international flights. It seems it's not raining in Antalya, but there is a problem in the airport, water problem, because no rain. If you rent a car from inside, here you pick it up from this location. All the offices are here, and this parking is for the car rental. And if you want to park personal car, it's just behind them. This one. You can see here is a sign for the tramway. Tramvay in Turkish. There is elevators you should use to go up.